Hi everyone, Allie the agent here. I wanted to talk to you about the evaluation process I use when I'm looking at new construction with clients or a gut renovation property with clients. So it's important to consider the details, but then also consider the property as a whole as well. What is the price point? What is the neighborhood? Because there is going to be kind of a happy medium of good quality construction, and then also, you can't blame the developer or the contractor for not necessarily, overbuilding for a particular area. So first of all, I look at the materials. What kind of materials were used? And again, this is going to be within the context of the property. Is it a 500 grand price point? Is it over $1 million grand price point? But what type of materials? Are they stock cabinets? Open up the cabinets. What is it? Tongue and groove doors. Look at the tile. What kind of tile did they use? Is it marble? Is it a porcelain imitation of marble? But is it good quality porcelain? Or is it ceramic? Ceramic has a different feel. It can be sometimes more porous. Again, it all depends where this is located. But I look at the materials. A great telltale sign is also doors. Are the doors heavy? Do they swing appropriately? It's actually very difficult to hang doors and make sure that they are swinging appropriately. When you open a door, it should stay open. It shouldn't swing closed in any way. Is it even when you look at the crevice between the door and the floor? Look at the tile work. Is there grout? Is the grout even? Tile work can be very difficult depending on the size tile used, also depending on is the tile a funky shape? That can be different. That can be indicative of some very good craftsmanship if that's done appropriately and looks good. Is there anything kind of funky that sometimes in an older home, or they got renovate, maybe they have to cut into the molding? And what does that look like? Did they do that neatly? So we're going to look at the materials. We're also going to look at the finish work. So the finish work are those fine touches. Did they caulk everything in the bathroom? Is that neat? Is it tidy? Is it like a mess? Did they clean the grout off of the tile work yet? This is also on the other side why it's important as a listing agent to really wait until the property is at a certain point in the construction before showing it, because maybe they just haven't gotten back to do the finish work yet, but it can kind of give the consumer a bad idea about, the level of the construction there. And then finally, you want to look at, is the plumbing or the electric exposed? Are the wires neat and tidy? Did someone have pride in their work and wanted to present it in a nice, neat, and organized way? So those are kind of the high level things that I look at when I'm considering new construction. And again, it's not only these details, but it's the sum within the whole. They might have used a composite flooring, which might make sense in that price point, but is it constructed well? Is it a nice material within that general category of materials? So lots to consider. It's very important to make sure that, if you're buying new construction, you look at the quality of craftsmanship, and also make sure that you're protected with a new construction 1-year warranty as well. So that's all for now. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.